Dojo Kinuya! Bindigan nung boom! Manish na bemuin geek nung jigewin. Sterling Indigenous Magizzy and then Indigenous Magizzy and Dondam. Long Lake 58 Nindunjaba. My name is Sterling and welcome to Words of the Day in OJIBWAY. Your first word has to do with the season. How do you say sick? Akose. And what comes with sickness? Cough. Asosurum. What do you do once in a while when you're sick? Sneeze. Jach. Jach. And then what comes with this, else comes with sickness? Headache. Diba kwe. Diba kwe. When you pick up woman with a lot of kids in the morning. Diba kwe. Oh, and put those kids to sleep. But moving on. How do you say what cures it? Medicine. How do you say medicine? Mashkiki. How do you say hospital? Mashkiki Wigomik. How do you say doctor? Mashkiki Nene. So that's for a man. Now if it's for a woman doctor, Mashkiki Akwe. Oh, Miigwech for watching. Thank you. Bamape.